Today's video creation topic is how to implement the guess and check rule while doing life drawing. Hi, this is Sanjay. Hope all of you are doing well. Before starting, let's just understand what is the guess and check in the first place. Very quickly, of course. Suppose I have a triangle, a right angle triangle. Basically, while observing some subject in a real life, we are able to observe certain shapes. Okay, that shapes may be triangle, tetragon, pentagon, or whatever. Let us say I see a triangle this way. It's a right angle triangle, let us say, and if I make three sides, and this I have to copy. Okay, now I imagined I made it a three parts, then like that 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 6. So this type of a six parts are this. So I will say this 6 units. So 6 I am writing. This side is a 3. Okay, and there is some angle. Now my task is to copy this on a paper. Okay, now here there are different approaches. It's not that only one approach has to be followed. Suppose I guessed the distance. Let us say this is my guessed distance. Okay, I understood that this is a vertical. So a vertical line I drew. Then 3 6 means it's a double of this, right? So with my observation I imagined this the double. Now this is the point I got. To explain, let me give some names. If it is A B C, so this is my B dash, C dash, and the double portion, this came to be my A dash. This much is a guess. Now if I join A dash to C dash, this has to be proportionate with the AC. Also this angle has to be same with this angle, right? So here what I did while replicating this, I guessed the distances and checked with the angle. Somebody may guess the angle first, then this proportionate he can find, and then from here, from this point, this is his A dash, this is his C dash, let us say. From here he dropped a perpendicular, from this he dropped one horizontal, from here dropped a vertical. And there are some mistakes, please manage. I just want to communicate the concept. Now here he assumed or he guessed the angle from the vertical. Now he will check with the distance. These distances should come proportion to this, right? This and this proportionate should come twice or thrice or half or whatever. We have done one exercise, eye training exercise, to make it a half. So we are well versed with doing half or 1/3 or 3 times or 2 times or whatever, any number of times. So basically what I want to say is, if I just draw a horizontal line from C dash and vertical line from A dash, that way also I'll get B dash. So in this approach, I guessed the distances and checked with the angle, and in this I guessed the angle and checked with the distances. This is basically the guess and check rule. So we are guessing some shapes and we are checking with some other point of view. And the very purpose of this guess and check rule is to bring something, to copy something more and more accurately, right? Now let me explain it with a real life example. So as a principle, you have understood what guess and check rule is all about. Now I have made some arrangements just to explain the same thing, how that guess and check rule is being implemented while drawing the life drawing. So the height and width I will just guess by measuring how I had explained in the previous video. After measuring those things, I will put the marks, and after giving the marks, I'll check with the angles. From the top, the same angle is being projected in my art or not. I will check this way. And what is the angle of this to this? What is the angle if this straight line, if I take where it meets, whether that's meeting that way or not? So these particular different angles different angles and heights, etc., everything, all angles and lines, etc., I will go on guessing and checking. When we draw it on the figure, we say that the guessing work, and with a different, from a different angle, when we measure if the distance is remaining same or not, that is called checking. So guess and check all the time we will be doing while doing the life drawing, to get the final work more and more accurate. Hope this video helped. Thank you everybody.